The traditional separation between the alpha and beta types makes up the social male hierarchy. Beta males and innocent, fallible men who aim to become alpha males someday are the aggressive extroverts always looking to steal the spotlight. However, there is another group of men who do not follow any hierarchy, who set their own rules, and who lead peaceful, passionate, and charismatic lives. They represent the emotionless brand of men with a strict code of ethics and an unmistakable self-identity. They place a high priority on being truthful and honest about their progress and lives. We're referring to Sigma males here, who have a distinctive way of thinking and a rare sense of perspective. Sigma males are outside the social hierarchy and are frequently feared by the populace due to their cool and cunning minds, fierce impressions, nourishing looks, unstoppable passion for success, and unbreakable determination. They are not meek weaklings, rather they are cool, disciplined, and well-groomed. Instead, they hunt alone and relentlessly, like lone wolves. We will discuss how Sigma males incite fear in others in today's video. Number 1. They always exert a hidden influence. The aggressive alpha males, who will fight for a position of power and authority because they feel helpless without it, are not frequently seen among the leading top genitals. The same is not true of Sigma males. Sigma males will be the ones controlling events from behind the scenes, because they are clever, witty, and smart enough to make sure everything goes according to plan. They lack the alpha male weakness of being desperate for attention or approval, which leaves them open to outside influences. Sigma males are almost always the decision makers in the group, running everything according to their preferences and will. They don't hesitate to step forward and assume leadership. But the mere thought of all the praise and credit makes them feel unsteady. Sigma males are feared for their intelligence and capacity for total control. Number 2. They are not frightened. Sigma males have fought their entire lives for a better lifestyle, steadfast respect, and fulfillment. In the face of all challenges, such as those faced by Sigma males, struggles and efforts make us fierce and courageous. They are brave and won't back down from a fight if they think they are in the right. They will never remain silent in the face of injustice or exploitation. They can handle any argument, problem, or fight because they are both physically and mentally strong. They maintain mental stability and their actions are never predictable. Since they are not afraid of anything, not even death itself, Sigma males and their personalities command fear and respect. Number 3. They are deliberately truthful. In every aspect of life, Sigma males are powerful and flexible. Since they have nothing to lose, they are not afraid to express their opinions. Sigma males only care about themselves and do not care about other people or their opinions. Since Sigma males are not afraid of anyone, they are brutally honest. Some people may call them selfish, arrogant, robust, and distant, but that is simply how they act. They will not insist on needless optimism and will always favor realism. Since they do not consider emotions vulnerable, they won't be concerned about offending people's feelings and will instead always be brutally honest about what they think is right. Number 4. They are difficult to evaluate. Sigma males are known for maintaining an air of exclusivity, superiority, and excellence. They limit their interactions to a small group of people and avoid talking to everyone else. Since they maintain a demeanor that is free of emotions or reactions, it is nearly impossible to predict their movement plans and strategies. Since they do not show their emotions, Sigma men are challenging to judge. They live an independent existence, far from formulaic. They have clever, sharp minds, and they constantly consider scenarios' potential outcomes in terms of how they might benefit from them. Sigma men are masters of manipulation. Even highly skilled professionals cannot predict what a Sigma male is up to. They spend their time ensuring that no one is taking advantage of them because their lives are so hidden from view. All male Sigmas are consequently despised by society. Number 5. They are unconcerned with approval. Male Sigmas reside outside of the social structure. They reflect on their talents and interests while living alone, being their most severe critics and learning from their mistakes. Their internal need for approval from society finally decreases because they are not dependent on it for anything. They don't give a damn about what people might think of them. They prefer to hear only encouraging feedback from themselves and are least bothered by such weak remarks. The desire for acceptance, love, and appreciation is essentially non-existent in Sigma males because they are the least emotional of all the other types of men. These individuals, who are unaffected and unharmed by the words of others, should be feared. It demonstrates hard-headedness, rigidity, and disobedience. However, these men are powerful and successful, which accounts for their anxiety and comic relief. Number 6, they are constantly ready. The preparedness of Sigma males is another reason why they are feared. Sigma males have lived outside the social circle their entire lives. They adopt all the behaviors required for them to succeed in everything they do, in addition to surviving in the world on their own. Their daily plans are well thought out and include routines and activities that will improve their mental, physical, and psychological health. They demonstrate their capacity to prepare themselves for everything. They are ready to face failure, conflict, or even a situation that could endanger their lives, and they will be ready for it. Since their entire lives have been spent in struggle, they have a high mental tolerance for pain and hardship. They allocate the majority of their free time to enhancing and refining their mental skills so they can respond to any situation. Because of their arrogant, hard-headed opinions, Sigma males who are constantly striving to improve themselves attract a lot of haters. As a result, being ready is useful. Number 7, they maintain power. The ability to remain calm and collected in the face of danger is an appealing trait shared by Sigma males. They will make use of their environment's fine control to their advantage. They maintain their self-control and remain stirred like calm waters. They are aware of when to react and when to remain silent and polite. Whether it is an argument, an impossible task, or even a fight, they are always in control of their entire tactical situation, even when it appears to be beyond their control. A sharp sense of authority and quickness that is uncommon in other men can be seen in Sigma males. They have amazingly sharp minds that allow them to plan and act appropriately. They approach life like a chessboard, moving pieces as they see fit and engaging in deeply complex stakes. This is the unique quality of Sigma males that both fascinates and terrifies people because no one wants to cross them. Number 8, they are aware of how to achieve their goals. Sigma men have an intense dedication to achieving their aspirations and objectives. They do not let anyone move them from their goal and remain intensely focused on it. The Sigma male is not going to compromise in upholding their reputation for professional excellence, and they will organize their lives according to strict rules that give them an intimidating and oversight appearance. They are very skilled at convincing others and manipulating them, frequently using psychological tricks to achieve their goals. Sigma males frequently employ reverse psychology on their opponents to keep them in a fool's paradise and to catch them off guard. Sigma men will make sure to state who is in charge. They are aware of when, who, and how best to bribe and persuade, as well as when an argument is lost. Because of their magnetic aura, Sigma men can easily get women to do things for them. The men of Sigma fraternity will always know when to use their charm and when not to. As a result, they gain authority and become people of action. The men in the Sigma fraternity had some of these characteristics, and because of them, many regular people avoid talking to them. They stand out from society because of these distinguishing traits in their personalities. Let us know which of these qualities appealed to you in the comment section below. Here is where the video ends. Until the next one. Take care.